Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to be jumping back with the os.path module. And the method we're going to look at right now is getAtime. And it's all mashed together, but I want you to be able to see it. So alright, let's just look at it. Import os. So alright, if you're new here, thanks for joining us. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and try that watermark right underneath me. And we have videos coming out all the time, and as you'll see, we build upon them. So we're going to need the two prerequisites. So I'll start putting them up there. There's the first one. Alright, getAtime. So okay, return the last access time of a file. So alright, so as we saw in the last two, and I'll go ahead and put the second one up, we learned how time is tracked at its point, and then how to find the difference. So alright, the last one was C time, and that's what we're going to use. So I'm just going to call it last, and the file that we're going to use is from a while ago, and that is getAtime shopping list.txt. So, and I'll just go ahead and put that up right here. So okay, just to let you see this. So now last is a whole bunch of seconds, and as we saw last video, so it's time.ctime, then we pass last in, close that out, and boom. So we have one super important prerequisite, our C time, which was our second card. And then now this is how we get the time, the difference, and then we now know where to pass that information to find a nice pretty little string of the last time it was accessed. So there we go. So that is os.path module, the getAtime method. So as always, guys, I really appreciate all the subscribers, all the comments, all the questions, just all the awesome support. So if this is the type of video you like, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for me. And please leave any comments, questions, or my all-time favorite, any video requests below, because you're not the only one who has that question. So you're not only helping you out, but you're helping somebody else out. So I can't say thank you enough. But real quick video today, and if you are new here, you see what we do. We blur these things, one thing upon another. We build a foundation, and then we put the house on top. So alright, thanks for watching, stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.